If you are ready to make the change and you want to start washing your hair only once or twice a week, this is how you start. Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to another video. Today we are talking all about training your hair so you don't have to wash it every single day. If you are low on time, you're a busy person, you're a mom, you're in school, whatever, you work, you just don't feel like washing your hair every single day, or you just want to get healthier hair, then this video is for you. I'm gonna give you my tips and tricks on how I have successfully changed the way I wash my hair and how I completely changed my hair routine within months. If you are new here, my name is Amanda and I post weekly content right here on my channel, so I would love it if you would subscribe down below and always have the bell turned on so you are notified every time I upload, and give this video a thumbs up because that way I know you are enjoying these types of videos. So without further ado, let's get on into why you're here. I want to give you a quick little background on my hair and what I used to do when it came to washing it. I was the person that would wash my hair every single day. Every day without fail, I was washing my hair. Why? Because within 24 hours, my hair was already a greasy mess and I needed to wash it. You know, it just needed to be done every single night. It wasn't until my early 20s that I finally decided that I didn't want to do this anymore and I wanted healthier hair because one, it was just annoying to have to wash it every single day, and two, my hair was so dry because I was stripping it of its oils every single day that it just wasn't healthy. I changed it and I want to tell you how I did it. Start slow. Don't just not wash your hair for a week after washing it every day. Start with every other day. Wash your hair every other day for roughly 2 weeks. And once you get that far, then do every second day, and so on and so forth. So gradually move yourself forward with not washing your hair. Add a day in between every week or so. Make sure you are sticking with every other, every second, or every third for a while before you move on to adding another day. And it gives your hair time to adjust so it's not producing so much oil as frequently. As you're going through the hair training process, you're gonna go through a patch where you're just gonna wanna like wash your hair because it's gonna be so gross and so nasty, and like, how do you live with yourself? Trust me, I'm a clean freak. I like to be clean, but it gets better. Just trust me on this. So as you're training your hair, there are things that you can do to help on those super greasy days where you just wanna wash your hair. Number one, do your hair. Put your hair up in a ponytail, put it in a bun, just put it up, put it in a clip. This is what I did today. This is day 3 for me right now. And my hair is a little more greasy today because yesterday I was like playing with it, I was touching it, and well, that makes your hair more greasy. So normally on day 3, my hair wouldn't be as greasy as it is right now, but that's beside the point. Put your hair up, do something cute with it, wear a hat. Hats are your BFF. They will disguise everything. You can leave your hair down and just put a hat on and it's like nothing's even going on. Like, no one knows that you have super greasy hair and you're doing like a thing. No one knows. Updos and hats are your best friend. Another thing that you're going to want to get if you don't have already is a dry shampoo. Let me tell you, I literally would not be able to survive going a week without washing my hair if I did not have dry shampoo. I mean, I could, but I would never take my hair down. Dry shampoo, get one that works good. Sometimes it's like trial and error with dry shampoos, as with basically anything. You have to go through a couple before you find ones that really work well for your hair. I used to use like Batiste, then I switched to like a more natural version, but it was still in an aerosol can. I will try to leave some pictures or something on the screen, or at least the name of the product. That way you know what I was using, which I think most of those worked well, but I did want to switch to something more natural. So I did get rid of the aerosol cans and I actually use Beauty by Earth's dry shampoo. And that does work with soaking up my oils, but I do try to go at least 4 days before I use dry shampoo, just so my hair is able to have its natural oils and it's not like being soaked up by dry shampoo right away. But if you are in the beginning stages of training your hair, Try to go 2 or 3 days before you use it, and then use it, and then you should be able to go another day or 2 before you actually wash your hair. Updos, hats, and dry shampoo, those are like the golden 3 things that are going to help you while you're training your hair. And yes, it's going to take some time, but it's so worth it in the end. Try to remind yourself of the end goal, which is not needing to wash your hair every single day, or even every other day, or every 3rd day. The end goal is to go as long as possible without having to wash your hair and just getting through, and in the end, really having healthier hair. Try to make this like a fun challenge, you know, like, okay, I'm gonna go 2 days without washing my hair. Can I do it? Yes. Okay. So make it fun, make it enjoyable. Don't be like, oh my gosh, I'm not washing my hair. You know, like, make it fun, make it enjoyable, because the longer you go without washing it, over time, the less your scalp is going to produce those oils. So time frame, I would say when I first started doing this with my hair, it took me probably a couple of months to really get my hair reprogrammed to where it wasn't producing as much oils, and I was able to go longer periods of time without washing. So just keep that in mind. Just be patient, like I said, and give yourself that time. It will take weeks to months to get to where you want to be, but in the long run, it's so worth it, and just don't give up, keep going. Whatever you do, just don't give up. Another perk to not washing your hair every single day is the money you save, and believe me, you save money. I was going through shampoo and conditioner like no one's business. First of all, I had really long hair at the time that I started doing this, so I was washing my hair every single day, and I was using so much hair products. I would go through a bottle of shampoo probably within a month and a half, and now I am on the same shampoo for probably 3 months, if not longer, because I'm only using it once or twice a week. Saves so much money, saves so much time, it makes your hair healthier. I also found that I'm able to afford more higher end, good quality hair care products because I'm not spending so much as often on other ones that I'm going through like crazy. So the investment in other hair care products that I've been wanting to try has been great because I'm still saving because I'm not using them half as often as I was before. And it's also better on your color if you dye your hair, and it keeps the hydration in your hair if you bleach your hair. So over time, it's going to become easier for you to not wash your hair every single day because you are not taking those oils away as fast. And your hair is going to thank you. You are going to be so much happier with your new routine, I promise you. That's pretty much it, guys. That's literally how you start. Just start, and you will find that once you get to that 4 or 5 day mark where you can go and you're not washing your hair until that 5th day, it's gonna be like, wow. So yeah, guys, those are my tips. That's how I did it. That's how you can do it. And those are basically like the main things that you need to know when you're going to do this process. It's just starting slow, having patience, having fun, and enjoying the process, and also realizing that you're doing something that you're going to be so much happier about. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. That concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up so I know you did. If you have any questions at all regarding training your hair, please leave a comment down below. I would love to respond to you. Make sure you are subscribed if you are not already, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye.